All right, well, a Lexington restaurant owner charged with murder testified in his own defense today. Greg Leone took the stand for several hours. He's on trial accused of killing his wife's lover on Valentine's Day back in 2016. News 19's Sam Perez was in court all day and joins us now with the latest details. Sam.
Greg Leone spent hours on the stand rehashing the details of the weeks leading up to the shooting and the moment where he says he found out his wife was cheating and claims he shot Arturo Bravo Santos in self-defense. Before he left the crime scene, Leone testifies he looked at his wife and asked her, "What have you done?" While answering questions from defense attorney Jack Swirling, Leone testified he had thought his wife was caught up in drugs because she seemed depressed, distant, and had lost weight. Leone says he'd noticed money was missing from their home. When he confronted his wife, he said she snapped at him. On February 14th, 2016, Leone says he tracked his wife and assumed she was involved in a drug deal when he saw she was in a parking lot alone. He followed her there and found her in the backseat of a truck with Santos, who Leone says he immediately recognized as a regular customer in his restaurant. Leone says Santos looked at him and threatened to kill him before reaching toward the front seat. Leone says he was scared for his life and his wife's life, so he fired 4 shots. Then, prosecuting attorney Rick Hubbard cross-examined Leone. The state believes this wasn't self-defense and instead a premeditated killing. Hubbard spent his time casting doubt on Leone's testimony, wondering why Leone didn't call friends, family, or law enforcement if he suspected he was interrupting a dangerous drug deal. Then Hubbard asked about Rachel Leone's role in all of this. Leone testified that if Rachel had been a good wife and hadn't cheated on him, then none of this would have happened. All of this came after Judge Walton McLeod denied the defense's motion for a mistrial Thursday morning. The defense took issue with forensic pathologist Dr. Janice Ross's testimony from last week, saying it was prejudicial and took them by surprise. The judge decided, however, that the defense had been given sufficient additional time to deal with that surprise. Reporting in Lexington County, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.
All right, Sam, thank you so much. Court is going to resume tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. with more witness testimony from the defense.